Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents lamb chops. Add lamb chops in a pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon coriander chili paste. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon garam masala. Squeeze half lemon. Combine well. Add half a cup of water. Drizzle some oil. Take 1 whistle, then slow down the flame and let it simmer for 10 minutes on low flame. Pressure cook until 80% tender. Releases the pressure. Flip the chops. Dries out the water completely. Remove in a dish. Let it cool down a bit. Meanwhile, make second marination coating. Take 100 grams yogurt. Half teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Half teaspoon Tandoori Masala. 2 tablespoon plain flour. Pinch of yellow food color. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add green chilies as per taste. 1 teaspoon pure ghee. Add some lemon juice. Combine well. Put the mixture on cooked chops. Apply it evenly on chops. Coat well. Put burning charcoal on it. Add dash of oil. Give it a coal smoke for 5 minutes. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Remove the charcoal. Drizzle some oil in the griddle pan. Put marinated chops. Apply leftover masala. Flip with the help of tongs. Cook from both sides until golden brown marks appear. Remove it. Put one sliced onion and caramelize it. Remove it. Dish out. Time to plate. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Do try this restaurant-style lamb chops recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Our fully done lamb chops are ready to enjoy. It goes very well with sweet tamarind chutney. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.